Panda want bridge to cross river. But one panda cannot build bridge alone. So every panda gives something to the big pile. This is tax. The king take this pile and hire builders. Now everyone can cross. This is good tax. But the king is smart. He doesn't want heavy bamboo. He gives everyone the green leaf, just a leaf with his face on it. He says, "This leaf is money, use it." Pandas ask, "Why? It's just a leaf." The king smiles, "Because I only accept these leaves as tax. If you don't have my leaves, you go to the dark hole." Now everyone must work to get the king's leaves. This is how currency starts. If Panda find one leaf, he gives small piece back. If Panda find huge forest of leaves, he give many leaves back. This is called progressive. The more you have, the more you help. Rich Panda sad, but poor Panda get bridge too. But sometimes the big pile has a hole. The king hire his friends. The bridge is broken, but the king's cave is shiny. This is inefficiency. If tax too high, Panda stop looking for leaves. Why work if king take it all? Sometimes forest is sick, no bamboo grows. The king print many new green leaves and give them back to pandas. "Go, buy seeds," he says. This is tax money returning to the forest to make it grow again. If tax 0, no bridges, no safety, chaos. If tax 100, no motivation, no leaves, hunger. The forest must find the middle, a place where panda work and bridge is built. Tax is the price we pay for the bridge, but always watch the king and why he likes his green leaves so much. Subscribe, or the king will take your leaves too.